Are you interested in learning NVivo? Check out the workshop I'm running for the Methods at Manchester Summer School, where I'll teach you how to harness the power of NVivo for your qualitative or mixed methods analysis. Join me for a whole week where we really delve deep into how to get the most out of NVivo for your data, your analytic method, and your needs. Right before the summer holidays, this is the perfect time to focus on operationalising your methods with NVivo's tools. So if you're free the week of the 26th of June, join me in Manchester in the UK for an in-person workshop on all things NVivo. It's based on two of my most popular textbooks, Using Software in Qualitative Research that I wrote with my mentor and close friend Ann Lewins, and also Qualitative Analysis using NVivo, the 5-level QDA method. And I wrote that one with another close colleague, Nick Woolf. I'll share with you lots of tips and tricks from those books and also from my own research. And I'll also share loads of resources to help you get the most out of NVivo. If you're not free those dates, you might want to change your plans because it's not often that I get to spend a whole week teaching NVivo. So this is a workshop that will take you to the next level with your analysis.